Have a blessed on your day. Ingat.
Kuya Tan, first of all, thank you dahil nag-set ka ng magandang example nung movie pa ako. Tapos, wish you all the best and good luck sa work and everything. Happy birthday again.
Ng tango, sa doble bugi, rumba, itinuro na.
Kuya Tan, love you.
Pinagsama-sama ko kaya ako ngayon'y bibong-bibo.
Kuya Tan, tanda mo na. Libre mo kami
Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw.
Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday ulit.
Galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw.
Hi Kuya Tan, happy birthday. Kailangan mag-asawa. Ako bahala kayo.
Bentang-benta, lahat lumuluwang mata, at ako'y nakita.
Happy birthday, birds. Love you.
It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's only me.
Birthday mo na naman. Kuya Tan, happy birthday Basta alam na pag may birthday. Yun lang.
Galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, galing bibong-bibo gumalaw. Di ko mapigilan, yumugyot ako sa...
Okay na? Hello Kuya Tan! Happy birthday! Wish ko sana gumawa ka pa ng maraming pera. Alam mo na. Ayun, happy birthday. Alagaan mo si Oya. Thank you, bye-bye.
Ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw.
Kuya Tan, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, mag-ipon ka ng madaming pera para may panggastos kami ni Oya. Joke! Happy birthday!
Ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw.
Hi Kuya Tan, happy birthday.
Bibo gumalaw. Ay, ang galing kaya nga. Rock and roll nga dyan! Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, galing kong gumalaw, galing ko sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw.
Ang galing mo, I love you!
Ang galing.
Birthday! Kuya Tan, happy birthday. God bless gid sa imo. Tapos, stay guwapo.
Sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. Oh, ang galing, galing ko sumayaw.
Day, Kuya Tan. God bless. Makita na lang ta sa December. Kay matagay-tagay na naman ta. Tapos, stay guwapo.
Galing kong gumalaw, galing kong sumayaw, bibong-bibo gumalaw. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea,
Happy birthday, Daddy Tatan. Love you. I love you. Very much. Very much. Idlaw na ko sa imo. Idlaw ko sa imo. Idlaw ko sa imo. Sige na, mo. Saot na, dali Bongga ka, day. Tadi Tatan. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.
you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ikaw dun? Natawa. Natawa kasi tayo. Ga! Happy birthday! I love you! I love you so much! Balaan mo gid nga palangga ka namon. Palangga ka namon kay si Oya. Kung wala ikaw, bumasubo gid. Balaan mo gid tan, ikaw gid ang amon nga kalipay. Sunod, ikaw ang kusog ko. Kung wala ikaw, hopeless gid. Ganitan, magpakabuot ka. No? Palanggaon mo gid ang imo trabaho. Kag ang imo manghodira, di mo gid pagbabayaan. Ato bang gid to? Lipay gid kami karon.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3.
Hindi lang ko.
Hello, Tan. Happy birthday. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat na binigyan kami ng anak na lalaki na mapagmahal sa magulang, sa kapatid, sa mga pinsan, pamangkin, sa mga tikus-tikas niya. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang mga mabuting asal. Sigurado ako na may reward ka kay Lord. Very thankful kasi may anak kami na talentado, responsible, generous, higit sa lahat, gwapo.
Ako din, nung mag-trailer ako sa probinsya, sila ni Lola kumupok sa mga ako. Lahat kami dito, natulungan kami ng Lola at Lola. Hindi kami
Happy birthday.
Kaya ang basta para sa inyo, makakasaan nyo kami.
Many more birthdays and blessings to come in your life.
Sige, maraming salamat ulit sa inyo, Tol, ha? Wala yan, Joey.
From the bottom of my heart,
Sige.
sigurado ako, I love you very, very much. Kantahan na! Maligayang bati sa iyong arawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tan. Love you.
Wala na kainom na lang.
Okay.
Than I've ever had. Make it all better when I'm feeling sad. Tell me that I'm special even when I know I'm not. Make it feel good when I hurt so bad. Barely getting mad, I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1, 2. There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one way to say those 3 words, and that's what I'll do. I love you.
Hi, Kuya Tan. Love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sabi mo, huy, happy birthday. Sabi mo, huy, happy birthday. Huy. Dali. Happy birthday.
You make it easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 1. There's only one thing to do. 3 words for you. I love you. There's only one word.